So I want to do some upgrades to my Hemiway Cobra. Try to make it more comfortable. This thing is heavy. I think it's pushing. All right, so that opening was a little bit dramatic, but what I wanted to point out is you need a good repair stand in order to work on these heavy e-bikes. So enter the Feedback Sports Pro Mechanic HD. That is supposed to be good for 100 pounds. It's supposed to be one of the heaviest duty bike repair stands on the market. I'll tell you right now, the diameter of this main shaft, the size of the legs, the size of all the hardware is strong looking, right? So let's check this guy out. Big, huge knob here. Got a quick release opening. Let's move that around so we can operate it well. Nice rubber on the clamp like that. Heavy duty latch there. That cam lock is just beefy. Lock that guy up. Really, I wanted to demonstrate this heavy duty stand from Feedback Sports. Let's get this on the stand. Like that one-handed operation. Close this up, lock it down. All right, like it. Balance is on there pretty well. I don't know if I can lift it. This bike is heavy, but let's try. Still nicely secured on there. You know what? Let's do a little independent test here before we dig into working on the bike. Let's give it the test. 18 pounds. This is relatively light. What do you think? Woohoo! Liking that. So let's jump into some features of the Feedback Sports Pro HD bike repair stands. So I thought the best way to probably describe how much stronger, to compare it side by side with my older bike hand. So if you look at the clamp, considerably different. All plastic construction. This plastic teeth thing has always been a little bit of a problem for me. All metal construction here, right? Quick release, right? Open it up. You can tighten it with this wonderful speed knob. Infinite adjustment on the angle, right? You just open this big knob up a little bit, turn this guy wherever you want. Like I said, any adjustment you want. Fully rubber coated clamps. So you can just hang your bike right on this surface if you want. Nice rubber here. Again, here's our quick release. Slide it up, clamp it down. Again, the diameter of this tube versus this main tube here, I'm thinking it's probably 30% larger in diameter. For sure it is thicker in construction. Our legs, again, that big compared to that, right? We're talking about an inch and a half bigger. Each one of the legs has a support stanchion coming off of it. Look how beefy this center area is. Fully metal clamp. This guy, just plastic, and you can see how it's actually abraded on the main shaft from tightening and loosening this over the years. What Feedback Sports is also selling is you can buy individual parts for this professional stand. You can get the individual parts to fix this if needed. All right, so let's wrap it up with the Feedback Sports HD. I think this comes in at about 16 pounds, about 45 inches long, at 7 by 6 for dimensions. Very portable. Definitely a heavy duty stand. Check out the Feedback Sports Pro Mechanic HD. You're gonna love this. It's gonna be like one of those once in a lifetime purchases when it comes to bike stands.